If you've ever wanted to update your display name or your unique cash tag on Cash App, this video is for you. Your name and cash tag are what people use to send and request money, so keeping them up to date is important. And today, I'll show you exactly how to change them step by step. First, let's change your name. Open the Cash app on your phone and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, select Personal, tap on your current name, and simply edit it to what you want. You can change your full name as many times as you like, so don't stress about making it perfect the first time. Once you're happy, tap Done, and that's it. Your new name is now active. Now let's talk about your cash tag, the unique ID people use to send you money. This part is crucial. You can only change your cash tag twice after you set it the first time, so choose carefully. Go back to the personal section in your profile, tap your current cash tag, and type in your new one. Cash App will instantly tell you if it's available. If it is, hit Set, review the message confirming how many changes you have left, and tap Confirm to lock it in. One important tip, after changing your name or cash tag, let your contacts know so they can send you money without any issues. And remember, while your name can be updated anytime, your cash tag changes are limited. So choose something memorable and professional if you can, and that's it. You now know how to change both your name and cash tag in just a couple of minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more quick Cash App tips, and check out my description for links to more guides that can save you time and money.